My lovely wife just dropped me off, and she's off. I'm off. Let's do this. But I still think that's a crazy thing to sort of fly in and out from the country and be there for less than 24 hours for maybe a appearance on TV. And here we are in Warsaw. Look what's behind me. This is the most impressive building there. Some old buses, but after 3 hours of travel, we are here, and it's cold. It's probably colder than I thought it's going to be, and I'm not really cold. That wasn't for me. And that building is impressive. Could also be New York. That's pretty cool, that. First of all, probably coffee and food in the best possible green cafe. I'll show you. And 4 hours later, I'm still here, working, editing, but I've actually edited the video from Boston, which you're going to see soon on my channel as well. It was actually a video from our holiday with my wife, but it turned out that actually we shot a lot of sort of men's fashion stuff and the things that I was wearing, so there is loads of me and a little bit of my wife, which is, you know, that's maybe how it's supposed to be, I don't know. People are always interested with a guy with a massive camera talking to himself. It's always pleasing and amusing to see, so that doesn't change, regardless whether in the UK or Poland.
Ale słuchajcie, macie tam pole do popisu, możecie zrobić show. Niestety powiedziałam, że prawdopodobnie obydwoje przyjdziecie w muchę, więc możliwe, że pytanie może się...
Mamy zrobić live na antenie, czy nie?
Możecie, oczywiście.
Mamy to. Trzeba włączyć mikrofon? Znaczy, świeci się. Czemu robisz szumstę?
Dzień dobry, Polsko! 138 000 osób ogląda teraz. Zobaczymy, czy to pobije oglądalność porannego programu TVP1. Marcin Osma, Michał Franczkowiak i gościnnie Dominika Dziro-Krzymańska. Będziemy się w Dzień Dobry Polsko mówili o
Facebook Live'ach, o tym, jak się zrobi, jak trudno albo łatwo jest to robić, jakie to ma znaczenie, ma sens. Okay, 24-hour trip to Warsaw is now finished. I'm back in Liverpool, still at the airport. Oh my god, am I tired? It's okay, it's okay. You're probably going to see the entire vlog very soon. I've tried to edit that as soon as possible, but also most importantly, you know, when I was talking to Nick Collier from Highland Collier, he was actually saying about experiences and how important experiences are in our lives. And when I was booking this trip, this 24-hour crazy trip to Poland, I thought about it and I thought, I think it's all about experiences. Let's do it. Let's go there. Let's see what happens. Even though it obviously costs money, even though obviously it takes my precious time, and you know, for 7 minutes of a national TV appearance, but it doesn't matter because it's all about experiences, right? So my lovely wife has dropped me off in the morning yesterday. Now my lovely wife is picking me up.